Welcome back. It is 6:24 and CBS 46 is your school authority. Just as more school systems reopen the buildings, there is concern about not one, but two viruses circulating among children.
That's right. CBS 46's Rebecca Schramm spoke with an epidemiologist about the so-called twindemic.
For years, doctors have told us when it comes to the flu, children are super spreaders.
We know that flu every year puts a lot of children and also older adults, particularly, in the hospital.
Dr. Felipe Lobello is Director for Public Health and Epidemiology for Kaiser Permanente of Georgia. He says this year flu season will converge with the coronavirus pandemic in what some fear will be known as the twindemic.
We're a little bit worried because clearly it's an unprecedented situation.
He says if both viruses circulate at a high rate, it could present a shortage of hospital beds. For fighting the flu, he says there's no better prevention tool than the flu vaccine. Dr. Lobello says something to think about. It's possible the flu vaccine could lessen the community spread of the coronavirus.
People that take vaccinations repeatedly, not just flu, but many vaccinations, may have an immune system that is more primed to fight against diseases, including this new coronavirus.
He says there's encouraging news from the Southern Hemisphere, which just went through flu season, and it was mild, most likely because of COVID-19 prevention measures. However,
in the U.S., we've been on this pandemic for 6-7 months now, and we're getting into what we call fatigue.
He hopes school leaders won't let their guard down in terms of face coverings and social distancing, and he hopes if a child has any symptoms of a virus, that the parents will keep the child at home. In Atlanta, Rebecca Schramm, CBS 46 News.